What's up guys, Chris with CarGonzo. Just want to discuss what's going on in the industry in regards to cars being overpriced, trades being worth tons of money. You know, I think that this is starting to hit its peak and we're gonna soon see a bit of a crash, right? So that could be good news for you, the consumer, and bad news for the dealer because, you know, business is absolutely amazing. You know, dealers are making more money now than they ever have. And really what you thought they were gonna take away from the pandemic is actually not happening for a lot of dealers. You know, and business in general, they're getting fat, they're being able to charge more, make bigger profits, and because of that, they're not adapting to the changing times. You know, when the pandemic hit, everyone saw that the digital age was going to move up 5 to 10 years, right? Like whatever was gonna happen in 5 to 10 years is now gonna happen now. And you really saw that. You saw these home-based businesses start to grow, more food delivery, more Uber Eats, more Postmates, more delivery type services, and consumers got used to really staying home and watching Netflix and ordering food and ordering from, you know, places like Amazon, and business was great for them. And then now you have things starting to change slightly. So dealers right now are banking on things like tax season, right? And the truth is, with all the unemployment that we had last year, you're not gonna really see, and you're actually not seeing it. It's already March 8th and you're not seeing that influx of customers coming into dealerships buying cars because they simply don't have these refunds. Up until last week, there was a child credit that was on delay and people weren't getting returns up until last week. So consumers were waiting for that, but you're not seeing that volume or that influx of business that dealers are used to. So has the pandemic changed what was once normal in the car business? Are dealers sitting fat right now because they're making money and not really adapting to change, not adjusting their strategy, not offering that door-to-door service? Are they back to their old tricks where they're simply saying, just get the customer in, don't give them a price over the phone? Well, if the customer doesn't like the price, then you know what? Let them leave. All of that stuff is gonna have repercussions, you know? Some of the things that we like to speak about. So what are your thoughts? Comment below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be bringing you more industry type of content like this. You know, I know we do a lot of reviews. I know we talk about what you can do going to the dealership, but as an industry whole, you know, being on this side, CarGonzo we handle the entire process from start to finish. So you can order a car online and have that car delivered without stepping foot in the dealership. So dealers kind of see us as we're that competition, but we're not. You know, we offer a good service to them, we offer good customer service to our consumers, and in turn, we get the dealerships that we work with good service. So it's win-win. But with what's going on right now, prices being high, inventory being low, starting to see a little shift in inventory, but what's going on in the world as far as war, you know, is that going to affect this? Are we going to, you know, start to hit that low again? Gas prices are up. There's just so many things that we could possibly talk about here. So I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear what's going through your mind as a consumer. I want to hear what's going through your mind as a dealer. You know, are you offended by what I said? I don't think you should be. I think it should somewhat wake you up and have you change your strategy a bit, because your biggest takeaway from the pandemic was you had to offer your services differently. And I don't see a lot of dealerships doing that. I see them actually reverting back to the old ways where, you know, forcing customers to come back into the dealership, which is great because we want them to see cars, but is that really what they want? All right, I want your thoughts. You guys be great.